back here today with another video. Today we are talking about yet another issue I have found with the Bayliner Element. It is the captain's seat cushion. As you can see, there's a button missing. I pulled this off to clean it very easily. I'm not rough with it at all, and one of the buttons snapped off. They're a brass button with this clear little washer here, and simple, easy fix. Go to Walmart. Walmart carries these. So a heavy-duty snap kit. I've already tested them and opened them up. They fit on the boat just fine. It comes with the little punch, the bottom plate, and then to smush the button. These were like $4.50 or something like that, and I have plenty. So there's like 8 different sets in here. You can use these for the seats, and you can use these if you have the bow covers or the snap around mooring cover. They're all the same button. Lowe's actually has the screw buttons. Airplane. Only problem with living next to an airport, but hey, I'm a pilot, so I don't ever mind it. Anyways, snap kit, heavy duty. I'm gonna go through it and show you how easy it is. Pop it back on, do it yourself, $4. Okay, so super simple. Basically, we are going to take the bottom piece that fell off for me, the top of the button grommet. We are going to take the original button, take off the plastic washer, put it on the new one. So here's the new one. Put it through the fabric. Use the bottom cup under the button. Put the top piece on. Then you're going to use the pointy side hammer and just hit it until it's tight. As you can see, original button, new button. Looks identical. The only difference you can tell, original button, see the copper, new button is silver. Okay, and there we go. Hopefully this saved somebody time, it saved somebody money. Do it yourself. Go to Walmart, pick up the buttons. Just in case you were wondering, if you didn't see it, there is the size right there. They only had one size, so if your Walmart only has one size, then there you go. But I'll show you, it'll snap right back on. See you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Real short video. Like it, subscribe. See you on the next one.